Welcome back, viewers. We are currently in the Tower of the Americas. This is owned by Landry's Restaurants, and we are waiting on the elevator to take us all the way up to the very top to the chart room where we have reservations for lunch. There were so many choices on the menu. We didn't really know what to do, but we felt like appetizers were the way to go. So we got appetizers and definitely some water because the humidity in Texas is real. If you've never been to the Tower of the Americas, you will notice that there is a giant circular restaurant at the top. That's where we are. And that spins around very slowly. I think it's 2 miles an hour ish and gives us surrounding views, 360 views of San Antonio. From our table, this is what we could see. There's several clips in here that shows you what it looks like 360. During our time at the Chart House, we had an excellent server. Her name was Nikki. She was very knowledgeable with the menu, very knowledgeable with what was going on, and she checked on us regularly. She was really, really good. You can see how slowly this actually turns. There is little pylons in the way. Um, Really, it takes a long time to do a full circle around this restaurant, but the ambience is excellent. We ordered an amazing coconut shrimp, a very solid spinach dip, and then also a Moscow mule to help put the ease into our vacation. San Antonio has grown so much since the last time I was there. Wife decided that a Shinerbach was in order. The world kept spinning by during our very awesome, relaxing lunch. This is about the middle of the rotation here. The Towers of America houses not only the chart room, but also a museum, a walkthrough museum that's circular, similar to the rest of the tower, that has Texas history in it. There is also a gift shop and a movie. After our light feast, we took the elevator all the way back down to the lobby of the Towers of the America. This ride took a little while as it's really, really tall.